Welcome to the vCom Solution Training Series, where we break down how vCom's solution offerings can transform your IT environment. In this session, we're spotlighting an important capability that many customers use to first onboard with vCom, our expense management tools. We'll explore how vManager helps you centralize and simplify IT and telecom spend management, even if you're not yet sourcing or managing services through vCom's procurement teams. Before we dive in, let me quickly ground us in who we are and why this matters. At vCom, we're built on 3 core values. We give time back to our customers by removing manual, repetitive tasks and taking the busy work off their plates. We deliver information and visibility so you always know where your technology stands and you can make smarter decisions faster. And of course, saving money by eliminating waste and optimizing spend to create shareholder value. That's the foundation of everything we do. We use a lifecycle management framework that covers the 9 stages of any IT asset from cradle to grave. This includes solution design, sourcing, contracts, orders, assets, tickets, and the 3 focuses of today: invoices, accounting, and analytics. Each phase is key to making your IT lifecycle efficient, and each stage connects and supports to the next. We support customers through this entire lifecycle with a mix of specialized people, streamlined processes, and a purpose-built platform to deliver our 3 values at every stage. So, what is it that makes expense management first an option and unique? Expense management hyper-focuses on the last 3 phases of the IT lifecycle, which are invoices, accounting, and analytics. This solution provides holistic visibility into your IT spend and time-saving automations without having to buy through vCom to benefit. Our expense team project manages the loading of your retail invoices into vManager, centralizing where you capture them and normalizing charges across invoices. That means cleaner, easier to understand charges without spending hours locating and decoding them. Once your invoices are loaded, we can also automate your accounts payable posting files and cost center allocations across all vendors. And if paying those invoices on time becomes a headache, you can layer our managed pay option to ensure timely payments, avoiding late fees and finance charges. Now that you have a brief understanding, let's walk through what this looks like in vManager to get a better idea of these benefits. Here in vManager, our invoices menu is where you will see all of your retail invoices being loaded. To accomplish this, our expense management team of experts will gather the permissions and access they need to upload all of your invoices, and then you'll have full visibility into this process via the invoice tracking and admin tool. Once the setup is complete, all of your invoices will load automatically each month in the invoices menu, providing a single pane of glass. Invoice and accounting teams see what needs to get paid each month, and IT now has a centralized and structured list of their holistic spend. If you have approval workflows that invoices need to go through before being paid, we can automate that process from vManager as well, utilizing the invoice workflow management menu. Everything from high-level sequential workflows or groups to granular thresholds by dollar amount per vendor or account are buildable in this tool. See the status of your invoice approval workflows in the invoices menu, providing more visibility across teams. To see invoice details, you can drill in by clicking into the invoice number for a simplified and standardized view that makes it easy to digest what you're paying for on that account. This means no more puzzling over vendor-specific invoice quirks and naming conventions that don't make sense. We call the services like we see them, from the charges providing as much detail as the invoice allows, by charge type, and even by inventory if that's available. Another benefit of having your IT spend in one tool is the ability for vCom to support the accounts payable functions in our accounting module. Our expense management team helps you automate your accounts payable posting files and cost center allocations in our AP menu, saving your finance team valuable time on manual tasks that they have to complete each month. Once established, cost centers and GL codes are loaded and visible along with auto-generated AP posting files that populate when your invoice is due. Managing new files and changes is easy using AP configuration menu, so you don't have to rely on vCom's development support. Update the file formats and apply them instantly by rerunning the file. Because of the way vManager normalizes vendor terminology into easy-to-understand language, we are able to provide a variety of charts and reports pre-populated for your team, including our high-value vAnalyzer menu, which shows a 13-month spend trend across all of your invoice charges sorted by account or charge type. Another reason why teams benefit from the simplification our tools provide. In summary, whether you're just getting started or want to centralize all spend visibility, regardless of who you procured through, vManager's expense management tools help you gain control, reduce errors, and free up your team to focus on strategic work. Thanks for watching this overview of our expense management solution. If you want to simplify your billing and invoice processes, gain accurate insights into your spend, and automate your payment workflows, vCom and vManager are ready to help. Visit our website to learn more and request your personalized demo today. Thanks for watching.